Philippines, maganda ito, no? Part pa rin ng aside from elite competition. Sports tourism pa rin ito, yung part ng pinupush ng PSC. No? Sabi nga, pagandahan ng business ito kasi Pattaya, Bali, puro world class, Boracay, world class. So, ito po, ano po mga balancing dito ng PSC in terms of support, no? Sa PSC sa tourism and producing elite level athletes.
Yes, na-mention nga ni Kong earlier ngayon na sports tourism itong event na to. Actually, even local tourism yan dapat, di ba? Kasi if we popularize it sa mga, lalo sa mga good beaches natin na na-mention, maraming mga manunood ng mga nandyan na local. And hopefully, sila, maningganyo naman sila with the support from the LGU, local LGUs to hold mga ganitong activities. Lalakas. And we will have a big base for our selection of feeders for our national open water. Sabi nga, mura, dahil libre, mag-swimming ka lang dyan, di ba? So, and then I asked earlier also, yung bang ating mga champion na indoor or swimmers natin sa pool, pwede rin. Sabi nga ni Sir Anthony naman, pwede rin yan. But they just have to train, no? Or siguro, if we have more than enough naman for our selection, na mga participants, then we would have enough. And hopefully, we in 5, 6, 7 years, makakaproduce tayo for our Olympics in LA, if not dun, sa 2032 sa Brisbane. But definitely, I think they're on the right track. In terms of support naman, there are two. Pag sports tourism, kagaya nito, na merong international participation, then we go to the NSTIAC. Diba, our National Sports Tourism, which is headed by PSC and by our chairman. So, participated na by different agencies. Doon kukuha naman ng support in terms of tourism niya and as well as financial and all other types of support na mabibigay nila. So, hindi lang dyan kaya ang PSC na lang, pero kasama na yung mga different agencies yan. DOT kasama dyan, TIESA, kasama and all 3 other agencies that has to do with tourism. Kaya talaga I'm looking forward to this particular event and alam mo naman, swimming sa akin, for me, dapat Olympics tayo. He has proven already, di ba? Wala pa masyadong science sa'yo nun. Diba, Kong? Sheer heart lang yun. And ngayon, we are going to put tawag dyan, science into it, no? So na-mention mo, I think, kanina yung high performance natin na program. And that includes definitely swimming, no? Meron na tayong activate yung ating endless pool. So magkakaroon na yan ng mga biomaps na wala kayo dati noon, di ba? So yun, you can monitor already the performance of the athlete. Yeah, lahat yun. The form, kasi may biometrics rin yan. So, di ba? So we're constantly trying to do that. In fact, just came from NAS the other day, yesterday, nag-meeting, ganun din ang pinag-uusapan. Meron sila doon na sports science and sports medicine building nila. So how we can improve that, plus ito natin dito. So with that support from a POC, from PSC, and of course from the POC also, talagang there's no way for us to grow but towards Olympics.
And we all will Anthony, ano po ang mga preparations natin in terms of course, number 1, safety, and other things like coordination na maganda ay kalalabas ng boosting.
Yeah, my role here is the competition.
Competition.
Yeah, competition partner more on
Okay. Sige po.
more of technical protocol operation in compliance with the World Aquatics and Asian Aquatics rules and cross-team alignment.
So in terms of technical aspects, so ilan po meters ito? Yung po bang pagsali ng especially local teams, unlimited siguro, no? Unlike ibang sports na alatin talaga ng PDPs. Tayo ba? Unlimited ba ang ano natin? Paano po ba pagsali dito ng ano natin?
Usually we have the event na 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers.
Okay.
Eight swimmers per country.
Okay.
Pero sa festival,
Okay.
walang limit.
Yun ang open.
May open 2K and 3K.
So ilang gold po ang nakataya dito? Men and women. And yung age categories.
4 plus the relay.
For
Actually, just correction lang po, may age grouping. Sa 10K is 3 age groups. Sa 4K, sa 5K, 4 age groups. So may set of gold, silver, bronze, set of gold, silver, bronze.
So in total po ba, ilan ang paglalaban?
Bale 3 times 2, men and women eh. So 6, tapos 4 times 2, 8. So 14 plus the 2 relays. So 16.
16
gold.
Thank you, Edie. Nakapalihan ko namin yung forward. Si BP. BP, ano po ang role ninyo rito and ano po ang mga preparations na dito?
Yeah, my role here is really helping PAI in the preparation of the said event. No, last week, me and Secgen was in Kalibo, Aklan. We had a courtesy call with Mayor of Malay and Governor Flores of Kalibo. And we're really happy because they activated their PDRMO in full support of this event for the safety of all the athletes. So they activated from Coast Guard, police, the fire department, medical team, especially Doc Carla Chica, the medical director Malay is with us all throughout the event last June, and this time he activated all these ambulances, nurses to somehow monitor the event this coming August. The top priority really is for the safety of all the athletes this coming August.
May buhay po ito, no? So aside from the buhay sa safety, alam ba ang mga swimmers have floaters or optional?
No,
Walang floaters.
no, yeah.
Yung
We were always only, but we have them kayaks to
May mga
somehow
standby na
standby kayaks. We have standby rubber boats, standby ambulances, in case of emergencies. Doc Carla Chica is on top of it. He's the medical director.
Yes, okay. Section Eric.